Okay, I'm back. There, and that's the wrong side. So I'm gonna edge stitch, push the seam allowance towards the pocket. Now when I'm doing my edge stitch, I tend to extend my stitches a bit. Woo! I just went off a bit. I need to clip in a little bit more of my seam allowance. There we go. Okay, let's do this one too. Running to beat the time. And that's the seam allowance of the side seam of the pocket. I mean the skirt or the pant. Now this is the front. Okay, you just have to match your notches. Now I'm gonna stitch the pocket before I stitch the side seam. So this is it. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, now this is it, but I'll show you to you at the table. Now I'm gonna flip the back to the front so I can finish the side seam and we'll be all done. I've done the pocket because you stitch the pocket and serge it before you close the side seam. Okay, don't forget to trim all your seam allowances at the edge of the pocket. So let's do this. I think I'm sitting comfortably. Okay. For this. It seems so much good. I hope I got it right. If I don't, then I do it over. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so I'll be right back again. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. This is the insert seam pocket. Now it's all done. I hope you saw a lot of the work that I was doing at the machine. So that's the wrong side. So that one is done. And the regular ones that we all know is the hip pocket seam, or you can call it inseam pocket. Okay, so there, and that's the wrong side. And this one, I didn't even put my hand in, so there. Okay, I didn't use the main, what do you call it, measurement for a regular outfit. I scale it down, so mine is a little bit small. And this is the first one we did. Okay, the pocket in one. Okay, so that one, let me put the pin in, so I didn't stitch the top, but that one is also done with the seam pressed towards the pocket. So now, this is the end of the video. Happy sewing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Next week we'll do another set of pocket, like walt pocket and so on and so forth, and I think maybe that will be the last, or 2 more, and then that will be it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye bye, see ya.